The third editing feature I want to show you is how you can add a GIF to your TikTok, just like Instagram stories. And just like Instagram stories, what TikTok is connected to is Giphy. So you have a huge database of GIFs to search and use for your TikToks. Let me show you. Here's a quick clip that I just filmed. Now to add GIFs to my TikTok, I'm gonna go down to the bottom menu where it says stickers. You can see here that the top menu says search GIFs. This is connected to Giphy. In fact, I have some GIFs on Giphy, so if I search my name even, spell it correctly, I'll find my own GIFs that I've uploaded to the platform. So I can choose myself if I want. If there's a point to it based on what I'm showcasing, I can choose this one. Now, if I tap it, it doesn't flip like it does in Instagram, but you can see when I tap it, I do get two options, the ability to pin and the ability to set duration. So pinning is just like on Instagram where you can pin it to be kind of stuck to a certain part of the video. I typically don't use this feature a whole lot. Let's actually grab another GIF. Let's go for this one. I've got all the expressions here. But the setting that you do want to look at is set duration. So again, you can have these GIFs come in at different times. So let's have this one come in at the start. So you can see a preview here, one disappears, one appears. So this could be a handy tool for your storytelling when it comes to adding in visuals to your TikToks. Make sure to go into the sticker setting and find a GIF that supports your story. For even more trainings like today's video and 300 done-for-you video ideas so that you can grow your business on TikTok or Reels if you prefer, head to videosvault.co. This is my two-part program that gives you 300 video ideas for your coaching, services, or product-based business, and it gives you all the how-to demos and tutorials of how to make TikTok videos and Reels. It is a jam-packed program, and it's helping business owners get up to speed very quickly when it comes to short-form video marketing. So head to videosvault.co to grab yours today, and I'll leave the link right below this video. To ease in revenue, I'll see you in the next video.